Some of this stuff will sit down.
Now you throw it overboard, please.
No, but you can move it.
I'm not going to move it there.
Huh? Sit down. Thanks.
Oh, beautiful, ma'am.
Of course. Told you.
Did he give you much of a battle?
Yeah, he did.
Tammy and Mr. John Martin. You ready, sir?
Yep, already.
What are you going to catch?
Everything I can.
I tell you what, I hope you get a monster.
Me too.
Omar, you ready to catch some big ones?
Slam, baby. We're going to get them this time.
Well, I tell you what, they're out there and you're ready for them, aren't you?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm going to give me a big gag.
I hope you do, sir. I'm all for it.
Got it, baby.
More power to you.
Oh, yeah.
One fun place. Next stop, Snapper and Grouper Grounds. This is what we wake up to.
This is a pre-breakfast snack.
I don't know what we do on here without Tammy.
It's a pre-breakfast snack, so you have something in your tummy.
You got that right.
He was trying the new diet.
That's what we're looking for right there.
Where you just cut a chunk out of your stomach. Omar did that. Yeah, he did.
Two at a time. That goes running nice, plenty of them, and nice, great big fish. Beautiful kingfish, sir. I bet he gave you a battle, didn't he?
He did. Let me get.
Absolutely gorgeous, sir. Oh my gosh. Nice fish, sir.
Thank you.
It's much bigger when they're right here.
Oh, what a snapper.
There's a middle ground mango.
I tell you. Oh.
How can I miss it? Don't go away.
He's hooked in the throat sometimes.
Oh, what a snapper. Oh, beautiful fish, sir.
There you go. He's cute.
Gosh, what a snapper. The size of that snapper.
Day 3027 of red snapper season. It feels like it anyway. This has been a bit of a challenging bite compared to what we've been used to lately.
Watch you guys.
Decent mango bite at night. Red snapper have been picky though. We're hitting the midday doldrums now and fishing slow. And one tip for the midday doldrums is a lot of people combat it with lightening up on leader, but a good way to do it is to upsize your bait. So if you have some select big pinfish or whatnot, save them through the night and wait until we hit these doldrums and some of the bigger reef fish that are more comfortable cruising around during the day. Foraging will hit those bigger baits. They won't be able to resist them. So that's one tactic you can do to overcome, because we do get a lot of our better bites this time of day. We just don't get as many. And so if you just upgrade your bait, a lot of times that'll work. We're bouncing around now, red snapper hunting and anything else we can get on them, but we're gonna keep on grinding and see how it goes.
Boy, what a beautiful fish.
There. We got 3 of them on this spot. What funky is going on here? It's gonna add up in just a second. That thing kicks your ass. Oh, you need in there.
Nice fish, sir. Need a gaff? Oh, beautiful.
How long on the red?
Nice fish, sir.
19?
16.
We carry thousands of pounds of ice on every trip. That's a big fish. What was the scream all about?
Oh, because he dropped it.
Beautiful fish. Sir, I bet he gave you a battle, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
I tell you one thing. That is one to be proud of.
3 years in the making, baby.
Beautiful. Woo, look at that, would you? Nice going, sir. God, what a fish. What a fish.
Yeah, you got it. Pull him up.
Keep cranking.
Father like son, huh? Now you're gonna beat the old man.
I wish the sea was still open on those things. Sure, plenty of them out here.
You got a boy. Try that again.
Mr. John Martin, leads by example.
All right.
Boy, John, that's some nice fish.
Always on the Florida Fisherman too. Come join
Ain't it
us.
the truth? Of the day. About time to go home now. Tammy really outdid herself this time. That pot roast is absolutely unbelievable. And the Cuban bread, Tampa Bay's very finest. Look at that pot roast, would you? Heck, that's worth the trip right there.
When it accidentally happened after that, you think you're filling. This side. You know what I think they do? They spawn and they lay their head.
Marina. Now please watch your steps going down the gangway, folks. You don't have to try to carry everything all at once. You want to go ahead and bring your cars over to the parking lot.
Look at that stringer fish, would you?
Some guys put a string together. Got it? Oh, they put it together? No, I'm saying some they put a catch together. But normally we break them up into smaller strings, so we caught all our fish in the daytime today.
Oh.
Last trip. So there was no breaking them up in a small string.